The amyloid hypothesis is certainly the reason why this type of medications, this class of medications have been pursued. However, the strong statement of the amyloid hypothesis would argue that amyloid is the reason why there is the pathophysiology and ultimately the development of the dementia in Alzheimer's disease. And therefore, that clearing amyloid is not only necessary, but sufficient to stop the progression of the disease. I think that what all the trials of this class of medication have shown, including the Lecanemab one, is that while amyloid is part of the pathophysiology, it is not the silver bullet of the pathophysiology. So I would actually argue that these results do not, in fact, support the amyloid hypothesis. They're meaningful, they're important, but they highlight the fact that it's going to be critical to approach this very complex disease through multiple sides, not just with one aim of clearing one neurobiological step. Amyloid is important, is probably necessary, but is not sufficient to have an impact. And so the implication of lecanemab in this context is that it will be the potentially valuable adjunct to other treatments guiding lifestyle modifications, supporting patients in lifestyle modifications that we know have a meaningful impact on the disease, but also other pharmacologic agents and approaches that target inflammation, hyperexcitability, or the position of other toxic proteins like tau.